Bi-Olygel overlay on a natural nail. Prepare the nail plate. Do a 3-step gripping, smooth and reinforced base layer application. Cure and wipe the surface. The length of the nail will determine the amount of product that you need to squeeze from the tube. And use the back end of the Bi-Olygel brush to scrape the gel product from the tube. Roll the bead from the knife end and place it onto the center of the nail. Prepare the Bi-Olygel brush by dipping it into the dampened dish with slide solution. Use a nail wipe to remove the excess solution from the brush. Re-moisten the tip of the brush, keeping in mind that excessive slide solution may cause lifting. Use the prepared brush to softly pat and spread the product evenly from the center of the nail downwards towards the free edge. Work the product from the center towards the left and the right sides of the nail. With less pressure on the brush, push the product towards the cuticle to form a perfectly rounded cuticle line. Use soft patting motions to shape a neat and thin application at the cuticle, side walls and lower curves. Hold the brush at a 45-degree angle and use firmer pressure to shape detail on the barrel sides and free edge while creating the apex. If the application is too thick or the apex is too high, brush down the center of the nail to remove the excess product. And use the knife to scrape and break the product away from the nail. Finish with smooth strokes. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe and shape the nail. Proceed with overlay.